Unboxing time. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and I just had to do this as I got it for no less than what is equivalent to $60 here in Denmark in Black Friday month of November 2024. So I just had to get, of course, with a contract, but still that was very cheap. It is the Aurora Purple 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and that is most brilliant. And look at the size of this package. It means it is the old style package, where there's actually something in the box. I know this is a phone from 2023, but it is in many places it only came out in 2024. So I still would consider it a phone of this year. And I bought it in this color for a very specific reason. I'll just get back to that. So let's see what you get in the package. In the box, of course, you get some SIM card ejection tool. Oh, you actually get a cover in the box. Now that is brilliant. Wow, but why in this extremely bland and boring black when I got that vibrant color? Okay, you got some safety information as usual, and then you get, of course, a quick start guide. Just want to get to the charger first. We have to see it. Wow, 120 watts fast charger in the box and a USB-C to USB-C, if I was not to be correct. Oh, USB-A to USB-C. So that means this is going to be a USB-A block charger we have right here. Yeah, that's just how it is. Got some weight to it, by the way. I really like that. But now, the beast itself. The Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. Let's just see what it says here on the cover. It says, ultra clear 200 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. There's a 1.5K screen, 120 Hz AMOLED curved display, immersive viewing angles with ultra thin bezels. The MediaTek Dimensity is 7200 Ultra. And then we got, of course, the chargers we just saw, and it's IP68 dust and water resistant. Let's do this, okay? Wow, that was a bit of a letdown. Let's do this in another way. Not so suave, but let me just get rid of this. There. Look at the colors. You're only able to see it when you tilt it to the sides to see the fluorescence of the different colors of this phone. And I just think that is absolutely brilliant. And there you have the 200 megapixel camera up there. It would be no surprise to me if that was just like an 8 megapixel standard ultra wide, maybe a 13. And that is going to be a macro, some sort of depth sensor of sorts. And then you have the blitz over here, kind of like this layout. It's sad they already got away from this layout to the more squarish design. Let me just quickly compare it to the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, because I think these are very similar devices, aren't they? Let me just see. Well, it's got some more height to it. Of course, it's a bigger screen. But the size is very much the same design. Here you have one little bottle and one large. That's brilliant compared to the 40 edge. And then on the back side, of course, on the 40 edge, you have this rubbery thing, the eco-friendly leather, some sort. Let's light this little fellow up. But just think of about the specs alone I got for like $60. It's 500 Danish crowns. And I know it amounts to a bit more in dollars, but if you convert the buying power also of things, so it's really around that $50 price tag. My name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and thank you very much for watching. Bye!